Okay, there is what we call combination of resistors. Combination of resistors deals with if the resistors is arranged in series and when it is arranged in parallel. If this is how a conductor looks if it is arranged in series, when you have something like this, uh, have something like this. Okay, you saw it in my bag. I don't know how to draw well, but let me make it up for you. I have positive terminal and negative terminal. I have V here. I have the R1 and the R2. These two resistors are connected in this conductor in series because the flow of current coming through the high voltage, the positive terminal, is flowing through these resistors in one channel. They are receiving the same amount of current. That means the same current, amount of current that resistor 1 is receiving is the same that resistor 2 is receiving. For you to get the total resistor, one have to say that R total will be equal to R1 plus R2. So this is how we are going to be calculating the total resistor in a circuit that is arranged in series. Then if it is arranged in parallel, it will be looking like this. Okay, please don't make me bad because of my diagram. Just understand what I'm teaching. Okay, here is my R2, here is my R1, here is my potential difference. Positive terminal, okay. R2, here is my positive terminal and my negative terminal. And current is flowing from the positive terminal. Okay, you discover that current is flowing through this side. You have the I1, and current is flowing through this side. You have the I2. The amount of current the R1 receives is different from the amount of current the R2 receives. Why? Because the uh, conductor, the resistors are arranged in parallel. Okay, what is the formula for calculating the R total of a parallel circuit? We have that R total is equal to 1 all over R total is equal to 1 all over R1 plus 1 all over R2. Okay, if you decide to find the LCM of R1 and R2, you have R1, R2. R1 into R1, R2 will remain. R2 times 1 will give you R2 plus R2 divided by R2 is R1. R1 times 3 is give you R1. Okay, so when I decide to sweep, go for R total to go up for 1 to come down, we discover that we have that R total is equal to, same thing will happen to the right hand side. This has to go up for this to come down. R1, R2 will be dividing R1 plus R2. That is the reason why R total in a parallel circuit is the product of the two resistors divided by the sum of the both resistors. Okay, with this, we are going to still note that since the same amount of current is flowing in a series, what is now constant in a parallel circuit? What is constant in a parallel circuit is V, which is called potential difference or voltage or electric potential. V measured in volts is what is same in this circuit. The V, the potential difference that resistor 1 gets is the same potential difference resistor 2 gets. Similarly to a series conductor, where the current flow is the same in R1 and R2. So that is the basic difference. You can, it's not compulsory it must be 2 resistors. Sometimes it can be 3, 4, 5, etc. depending on your level of study. So anyhow they have to arrange it. Just know the scope and how we use in manipulating the functions. So that as we are solving series of example under parallel and series circuits, you understand every bit of what I'm going to do. Thank you for subscribing to O Teachings. We'll always give you the best that you need in academics.
Hi, welcome to O Teachings. O Teachings is an online teaching platform that provides free and intensive online classes in core science and art courses. These classes are handled by excellent tutors who help you learn in the best possible way. We are committed to giving you the best learning experience you can get online at zero cost. Feel free to ask any question and remember to tell other students about us.